Hey there, welcome back to Reviews Heaven, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking the guesswork out of choosing the perfect personal blender with our roundup of the top 5 best personal blenders available on the marketplace. Fear not, we've meticulously researched, tested, and selected the top 5 personal blenders based on performance, features, and user satisfaction to make your decision easier. We've got something for everyone, from compact designs perfect for small spaces to high-capacity models that feed the whole family. So sit back, relax, and join us as we dive into the world of air frying with our comprehensive reviews of the top 5 best personal blenders on Marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender. The Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro is a small yet mighty blender that packs a lot of power into its compact design. With a robust 1100 peak watt motor, it can pulverize ice and frozen ingredients with ease. Its nutrient extraction technology is a game changer, unlocking hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies, allowing you to get the most out of your ingredients. The blender comes with a convenient 24-ounce single-serve cup, perfect for on-the-go smoothies or shakes. It also features a spout lid, making it easy to drink from or pour your blend without mess. And with its compact design, it'll fit perfectly on any countertop without taking up too much space. The Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro is incredibly user-friendly, with intuitive controls that make it easy to operate. It's also BPA-free, ensuring your safety and well-being. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. Overall, the Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a powerful, compact, and user-friendly blender. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or someone who simply appreciates a well-made blend, this blender is sure to exceed your expectations. Number 2. NutriBullet Pro 900-watt Personal Blender. Power your day with smooth, sippable nutrition. From strawberries to spinach, the NutriBullet Pro turns dense whole foods into delicious smoothies in under 60 seconds. It's the perfect companion for your busy lifestyle. With its simple, intuitive design, using the NutriBullet Pro is a breeze. Just push, twist, and blend. And when it comes to cleanup, it's a dream. Simply twist off the blades, rinse, and pop the cups in the dishwasher, healthful nutrition without the hassle. Here's the NutriBullet difference: nutrition extraction. Its specially designed blades extract maximum nutrition from every ingredient, turning ordinary food into superfood. That means you get the most out of every sip. Wondering what's in the box? You get the power base, cross blade, 2 24-ounce mugs, sippy lids, lip rings, and more. Plus, you'll receive a care and instruction manual, a pocket nutritionist, and a blasting for optimum health recipe book. So, if you're ready to power up your day and embrace a healthier lifestyle, the NutriBullet Pro 900-watt personal blender is your perfect companion. Number 3. Ninja QB3001SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. With its pulse technology and powerful 700-watt motor base, the Ninja QB3001SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender effortlessly pulverizes everything inside the cup, giving you the best of ninja blending. Whether it's nutrient-rich smoothies or resort-like frozen treats, this blender delivers exceptional results. What's great about the Ninja Fit is its compact design. It fits perfectly on any countertop and comes with intuitive, easy-to-use controls. Plus, with the included 16-ounce single-serve cups and spout lids, you can blend and enjoy your creations on the go. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the Ninja Fit's durability, convenience, and exceptional blending power. It's a game changer in the kitchen, making daily smoothie routines a breeze. So, if you're looking for a versatile, reliable blender that can handle all your blending needs, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is the one for you. Number 4. ZWILLING Enfinigy Personal Blender. Featuring a state-of-the-art single-serve design, this blender works fast to tackle your blending needs. Its compact yet powerful razor-sharp crossblade with piranha serration ensures ultimate blending for smoothies, shakes, and more. With multiple settings including smoothie and pulse settings, the ZWILLING Enfinigy offers versatility in your blending routine. Plus, get inspired with hundreds of recipes available on the ZWILLING Culinary World app for delicious smoothies and cocktails. Customers rave about the ZWILLING Enfinigy's performance, sleek design, and ease of use. Its break-proof, BPA-free Triton jar is durable and dishwasher safe, while the non-spilling drinking lid turns the blender into a spill-proof to-go container. Developed by ZWILLING with German engineering and designed in Milan, Italy, by Matteo Toon and Antonio Rodriguez, this blender boasts quality design and safety features like automatic shut-off and a locking system for peace of mind. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and stylish personal blender, look no further than the ZWILLING Enfinigy. Number 5. NutriBullet Rx N17101 Blender. Featuring a robust 1700-watt motor, the NutriBullet Rx packs a serious punch when it comes to blending. Whether it's seeds for smoothies or ingredients for soups and sauces, this blender handles it all with ease. What sets the NutriBullet Rx apart is its hands-free smart technology with auto start-stop functionality. It offers both single servings and family-sized servings, making it perfect for any household's needs. Customers rave about the NutriBullet Rx's exceptional engineering and durability. Its steel assembly and sturdy blades ensure efficient blending of even the toughest ingredients, turning it into a powerhouse in the kitchen. The attention to detail in the design is evident in every component. All parts are well built and cleaning is a breeze. Plus, the added heating cycle for soups and sauces adds an extra layer of versatility to this blender. From smoothies to soups, the NutriBullet Rx N17101 blender is a must-have for any kitchen. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Heaven. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy blending.